A smart ring sounds like something only a tech billionaire or a wizard would wear. It feels a bit niche, right? But if you look at the recent leaks and listen to the industry rumors, this ring is shaping up to be a masterstroke for Apple. If you understand how we all consume technology, it actually makes total sense. Think about it for a second. Apple has already conquered your pockets with the iPhone. They have chained you to their ecosystem with the Apple Watch. They even want to strap a massive computer to your face with the Vision Pro. So, what is the absolute last piece of physical real estate left on your body? It is your fingers. Right now, the smart ring market is quietly blowing up. Devices like the Oura Ring and the new Samsung Galaxy Ring are proving a very big point. Normal people desperately want to track their health, but they want to do it without the heavy bulk of a smartwatch. Not everyone wants a glowing screen on their arm all day and night, but we all know how Apple operates as a company. They love to sit back and watch everyone else do the testing. They figure out what people hate about current products. Then, they swoop in a few years later to reinvent the whole category. When Apple steps into the ring space, that is when this trend goes from a niche gadget to a global necessity. According to the latest reports, Apple has been secretly developing a ring that tracks all your vital health metrics. We are talking about monitoring your chaotic sleep schedule, your resting heart rate, and even your body temperature. It could even read your blood oxygen levels while you go about your day. The craziest part is that it does all of this inside a lightweight piece of jewelry. This is the real hook for the modern consumer. There is no screen. There are no annoying text messages buzzing on your hand. There are zero visual distractions to pull you away from the real world. It is just pure data working silently in the background of your busy life. Let us be honest with ourselves for a moment. We all want to know how terribly we slept after binge-watching shows until 3 o'clock in the morning. But sleeping with a chunky smartwatch is the absolute worst. It is uncomfortable and bulky. You get those weird tan lines in the summer. The watch catches on your bed sheets when you move. Trying to relax with a glowing piece of glass strapped to your arm is a massive hassle. A ring, on the other hand, is completely effortless. You slide it onto your finger and your brain forgets it is even there within 5 minutes. People love convenience more than anything else. We want the health data and the status of wearing premium tech, but we want it to feel invisible. Apple is going to win over millions of people who flat out refuse to wear a watch. But do not get it twisted. Apple is not just going to release a basic fitness tracker. The Apple Ring is going to become a part of the famous Apple ecosystem trap. Imagine a scenario where your ring is flawlessly feeding data into your iPhone. It helps you close those addictive fitness rings that seem to control our mental health these days. It tracks your recovery and gives you insights just like an Apple Watch, but in a much more understated way. This is where things get genuinely exciting. Apple might push this ring way beyond just counting your steps. There are detailed patents out there suggesting this ring could work as a universal gesture controller. Yes, you heard that right. Simple finger taps or natural hand movements could be used to control your devices. Imagine walking into your living room and just snapping your fingers to turn on your Apple TV. You could scroll through movies or adjust the volume on your speakers just by moving your thumb. You would not need to find a remote lost in the couch cushions. There would be no need for more screens. It is a natural interaction that makes you feel like a superhero in your own home. The Apple Ring is also destined to play a role in the future of spatial computing. Imagine pairing this ring with a Vision Pro headset. Right now, that headset relies on cameras to track your hands. While that is impressive, a ring could eliminate lag and improve precision. It would make grabbing virtual objects feel instant. It would also help the system work in dark rooms where cameras usually struggle. If Apple is serious about the future of work and entertainment, a smart ring is the ultimate tool. There is even chatter about the ring having advanced haptic feedback. You could get a tiny vibration on your finger when you get a call instead of your whole wrist buzzing. Some rumors even mention a physically rotating outer band on the ring. Think of it like a tiny scroll wheel on your finger. You could use it to scroll through web pages or adjust music volume without ever touching your phone. Now, let us talk about the design. This is Apple we are dealing with, so quality is expected. Most smart rings today look like slightly thick wedding bands. But Apple loves premium hardware. You can expect titanium finishes and stunning color options. This will not look like a cheap plastic toy. It will look like high-end jewelry with a supercomputer hidden inside. It is the ultimate stealth accessory for tech lovers. Of course, getting the size right will be a challenge. Unlike a watch with a flexible band, a ring must fit perfectly. If it is too loose, the sensors fail. If it is too tight, it is uncomfortable. Expect Apple to create a high-tech fitting process using your iPhone camera to measure your finger before you buy. So, will this ring replace the Apple Watch? Definitely not. Apple wants you to buy both. The ring will be the perfect alternative for people who hate watches but want the Apple lifestyle. It is for people who want health tracking but want to take their heavy watch off at night. The battery life is a massive selling point here. Most smart rings can last up to a full week on one charge. Compare that to charging an Apple Watch every single night. The ring feels like a life-changing upgrade in that regard. Imagine going on a trip and leaving your charger at home. That is true freedom. While pricing is still a secret, it will likely sit between the affordable and premium watch models. It will be expensive enough to be a status symbol, but accessible enough for millions to buy. Nothing is officially confirmed yet, but Apple never rushes. When they finally drop a new product, they reset the market. The Apple Ring could be the most seamless way to stay connected to your digital life. It is an exciting look at what the future holds for our hands. When we look deeper into the strategy behind a device like this, we have to talk about the psychological shift Apple is creating. For years, the tech industry has been obsessed with putting a screen in front of your eyes at every possible moment. We have screens in our pockets, screens on our desks, and screens on our wrists. But the Apple Ring represents something entirely different. It represents the quiet tech movement. This is a future where your technology is incredibly powerful, but it doesn't constantly scream for your attention. By removing the screen entirely, Apple is actually giving you your time back. They are betting that the next luxury isn't a bigger display, but the ability to stay connected while remaining completely present in the physical world. Think about the social implications of this for a moment. We have all been in that situation where you're having a nice dinner with a friend, and their watch starts glowing with a notification. Even if they don't look at it, that glowing square of light breaks the connection. It reminds everyone that there is a digital world pulling us away. The Apple Ring solves this problem. It allows you to stay in the loop without the visual noise. If you get an urgent notification, a subtle haptic pulse on your finger lets you know. No one else sees it. No one else hears it. It is a private, intimate connection between you and your digital life. This level of discretion is something that a smartwatch simply cannot offer, and it is exactly why the fashion world is starting to pay very close attention to what Apple is doing. But the real magic happens when we consider how this ring integrates with the rest of your home. We are moving toward an era of ambient intelligence. This is the idea that your home and your devices should react to your presence without you having to pull out a phone and tap an app. With an Apple Ring, your identity is literally on your hand. Imagine walking up to your front door and having it unlock automatically because it recognizes the encrypted signature of your ring. Imagine sitting down at your Mac and having it log you in instantly without a password or even a fingerprint scan. The ring becomes your digital skeleton key. It proves who you are to the world around you, making every interaction with technology feel frictionless and fluid. There is also the massive potential for the Apple Ring in the world of professional healthcare. While we think of it as a fitness tracker, Apple increasingly views itself as a health company. A ring is the perfect form factor for long-term health monitoring because it is so comfortable. People are much more likely to wear it 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This gives Apple a continuous stream of high-quality data. Imagine your ring detecting a slight consistent change in your skin temperature or heart rate variability before you even feel sick. It could warn you to rest or see a doctor days before a major health issue arises. This isn't just about counting calories anymore. It's about creating a predictive health system that lives on your finger. We also need to consider the competitive landscape. Samsung has already fired the first shot with their Galaxy Ring. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the future of tech.